So what's good with y'all? Finna be showing y'all how the new wheels that I got from eBay look on the car. Now, if you haven't watched the previous video of me unboxing the rims, go watch that. Be greatly appreciated. There they are. There are the Asanti ABL 5s, 20 by 10 plus 38 offset. So they got decent concavity to them. Y'all can see. Yeah, real nice. I like that. Not crazy, nothing crazy. Asanti. They are on the box. It said it was 32 pounds, so the rims are probably 32 pounds each since that was the shipping weight. So I'm gonna set y'all up, take these wheels off. But I will say, before any of y'all comment down below, yes, I did break the lug nuts loose before using the impact. So y'all can be quiet and relax. Set y'all boys down. Hopefully y'all don't get a good shot of my rear end. Yeah, that's a straight angle. Maybe we can turn a little bit that way some more. Real live, unedited. Hey, gotta put the right socket on first. I had the my lock nut sockets on. If y'all want to skip past this part, I understand. But half more minutes doesn't hurt. It's not hurt whatsoever. We're gonna do it in sequence though. Everything in sequence. Nobody gets better treatment first. From the looks of it, it looks like the stock lug nuts would actually fit on the Asanti wheels. But before we test that out, take these nuts off, give it a little kick. I know y'all probably like, bro, you don't have the right PPE on. You shouldn't take off the wheel like that. You could damage your back. I'll be all right, yo. If y'all, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. She cute, ain't she? Keep this joint nice and clean. I believe these wheels are 9s or 9.5 inches wide, one of the two. I don't know about the offset. Let's see if it's on the back. I think it's probably a 50 offset, because I see 50. So it's probably a 50 offset, more than likely. So I'm gonna set these down for y'all boys. Hopefully y'all ain't getting no nice view of me. Might go ahead and put these in the back too, because these is nice and chewed up. Nice and chewed up. All-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. So yeah. My slide back. I should have put on my my clean scene steppers for y'all. Yeah, I might do that. Let me put my clean scene steppers on for y'all boys. Yep. Comment down below what y'all think about my clean scene steppers. Nike joints. They got some stories to tell. Woo, man. Close the trunk up. Should we go with the back or the front first? I think I'm gonna go with the actually I want to take these gloves off, they're dirty. I'm trying to take the disgusting gloves. So, actually, should I give y'all a comparison? Yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all boys up. I know y'all probably tired of sitting on the ground. Old wheels, 50 offset, I think, 9.5 inches wide. Trash. These, look at that. Ooh, nothing crazy though. Nothing too crazy. Just something simple. They should be about like flush fitment. So I'm not looking for nothing crazy. I do like I wouldn't have mind getting a 10.5 with like a 38 offset. Anything below that, I wouldn't have mattered. They look dope. But without further ado, we finna test these boys. Y'all can see, good looking. Not so bad looking, but overall, not in the best condition. Not in the best condition at all. Let me see if these stock lug nuts actually fit. No, they do not. They look like they did, but I got my, ooh, look at that. Ooh, all them ones. Where he going to? The club? No, let me stop. Yep. So yeah, these fit. Mishimoto aftermarket lugs. I got these just because the stock ones, they didn't have any locking nuts whenever I got the car, so I was just like, yeah, I'm not even finna, rather just go ahead and get some aftermarket lug nuts just to protect myself. So, oof, sit that down. I know y'all probably like, bro, what you doing? So, it's not even. There we go, now it's even. Pretty even. So, stock 19s versus the stock, new 20s. Joints look good. I walked on that side, I'm blocking y'all view, if anything. What y'all think, though? I don't know. They're not like crazy heavy. They're decent. But I'm gonna set y'all boys back over here and I'm gonna put these wheels on. Put them on both sides. So yeah, now y'all get to look at mine. Not crazy. I'm hitting the brake. The calipers on in. No, they don't clear the BBKs. No. Oh man. They don't clear the BBKs, y'all. Dang. I seen somebody running 20x10s with a plus 38. But dang, I don't think he had, yeah, his was a premium. Oh well, I got these at an amazing deal. So, these will be going on Facebook Marketplace. As y'all can see, it's not sitting back there all the way. But I'm still gonna put them on. I'm gonna put them on the back too. See how the back looks too. But it looks so good. Oh my goodness, that hurts my feelings. That hurts my feelings, man. Oh, that hurts. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. Oh, there's so many platforms out here. I had this car for almost a year and I hadn't put on wheels yet. No, I'm not gonna put y'all right there because y'all gonna be seeing my rear end. So I'm gonna sit y'all right there. Make sure that angle's straight. There y'all go. I don't know if the rears and the fronts are the same with the BBKs, like the width. So we're just gonna have to see But dang, that hurts. That hurts my heart, low key. Ah, that hurts. So yeah, it clears the rears, but not the fronts. So the front, actually, on the front, what I could do is order spacers if I really wanted to. There you go. Oh man, that sucks. Or I could just order a different offset for the fronts and then leave the rears, the ones on the rear. I don't know. Y'all let me know what I should do. Might just get rid of these joints, cause I got them at a steal of a deal. Paid after shipping. I want y'all to guess down below what y'all think I paid. It goes so well with the chrome. Oh man, that hurts. I like it too. I'm not the hugest chrome fan though, but I don't have any like wood to sit it down on, and this is not accurate either. So, dang, that sucks, y'all. With them tips. Cleaned the car yesterday, nice and shiny. Could have hit the back part a little bit better. Let me see that shine difference. Ashy, shiny, but oh well. I could do a spacer up front. I don't know what size spacer. I don't know, but then I'll just do spacers all the way around. Nothing crazy. Maybe like that's not a huge gap. I don't know. Maybe like a 25, 30, 40, somewhere around there. Spacer. That does suck. Oh, and it's, bruh, and it's hitting the spindle back here too. Dang, I messed up. So, lesson learned. 20 by 10 plus 38 cannot clear the front BBKs and the front spindles. So, oh well. My boy breaking his neck to look though. That's funny. But dang, that was looking so good, y'all. That was looking good. That was looking really good. I guess it wasn't meant to be. I'm gonna go cry, y'all. No, I'm lying. I'm not upset, because like I said, or did I say, I don't even know if I gave y'all the price, the full price that I paid for these. After taxes, I paid a little over $320. So steal of a deal in my personal opinion for two wheels, 220-inch rims, in good condition. Had little dings around the lip, but nothing that's like crazy. No bends or nothing like that. If anything, the lip can be replaced. Oh man, dang, that sucks. It looked good though. It looked good. Man, that sucks. But if I put these on the rear, they clear. They clear perfectly fine. BBK space for days. Flush up against the rotor, and it's not hitting nothing back there. I don't believe it would hit that the bottom part of the shock either. So, oh well. We'll just have to see. It's just another delay with the whole wheel process. It's been a year since I had this car, man. Dang, that sucks. Dang, that sucks. But like I told you, I only paid a little over $320 and some change, I believe. I don't even believe it was more than $320, like $321. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all boys go, because I'm just talking now. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, y'all. And follow the Instagram too. It's in the description and in the comment section. Anything that I got as far as information will be in the description or in the comments. I copy and paste the description and the comments for y'all to go ahead and answer any questions that y'all have. So, like I said, I'll show y'all what it's looking like. I know it's windy, so the audio probably getting messed up. That's called that Virginia lean right there. That's that Virginia lean. It's crazy how the front gap is like that and the rear gap is like that. Well, yeah, it is leaned down the surface. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all boys go. Keep rambling. It sucks, but let me know what y'all think I should do. Like I said, I didn't pay nothing for these. Nothing. So I might just go back to the drawing board and get different wheels since they don't clear. Oh man. One last look. And peace, y'all.